Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to your JP Morgan online banking account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Tap open your JP Morgan application from your app drawer. In the first interface, choose the sign in option. If you don't remember your username or password, simply tap on Forgot Username or Password link. If you remember your credentials, enter it in the respective text boxes. Start off by entering your username associated with your online banking account and then enter your password on the next field. Now, tap on the Sign In button and follow through the prompts in order to log into your JP Morgan account. Make sure you have your credentials and you will be good to go. That is how easy it is to log in or sign in to JP Morgan. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.